Wow, looking cute today, princess.
Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna actually try to do this, and we'll see how I do.
Well, first you're gonna need to like take your
who do
hair
we have
back so that
left?
it's not falling into your face.
I've got this.
Yes, yes, exactly.
We don't have to write another person. That's good.
Yeah, do it this way around so that it's not in your face. Oh, yes, you're beautiful.
This goes on your face, so I'm just gonna put it on my face. So this is my face now.
Wow.
I have to go make the shields.
Yeah, Zoe has to go, guys.
So
She
you have to go and make a shield now?
very important things that she should be doing right now. What kind of look are we going for today? Do we want?
We want a kind of like a dreamy, like dreamy girl. Yes, that's what I was thinking about.
What do people do when they do? They do the blush.
Yes.
I don't know where to find that.
You just need a red Sharpie to do it.
Okay, I found it.
Oh my god.
There it is. Feel like this is not where people
That
put
was
blush.
fun.
I'm basically God. Put it on my eyes now. I live for the pain. I die for the pain. I die by the sword.
Well, kind of make it fade a little bit,
So
Like
I'll make it darker on the inner eye.
Yes.
Alright, so there's my eyes.
Wow.
Wanna
Hi,
close that?
princess. Can I have your number?
I live for this. You
The
know how
sparkle's
it
where
is.
it's at. I have told you so many times.
This smells like saliva.
Wait,
I'm putting more saliva on my eyelids.
Yeah.
I love saliva. Cannot get
Who
enough
doesn't?
of saliva. It's
Yeah.
the best. Literally the best.
It really is.
I don't think this is correct.
I don't think anything that is on your face could ever be wrong. You're just so marvelous.
Thank
Oh
you
my
so
God.
much.
Yeah.
So I have lots of put it on and stuff. So guys, this is what I do when I put on highlighter. I just can't get enough of it. I want to shine like a freshly born baby. Okay, so I've done my inner eye. There's
Wow.
this is very pink.
brilliant. Okay.
I think I want to change my eyelids. They don't pop out as much as I want,
Wow. You're such a beauty. Oh my God. I can't even look at you without
is
being
good.
stunned.
Okay, so we'll meet again on Saturday.
Yeah.
Um,
I'm gonna do a
yeah, tomorrow.
Should I do an orange?
Hi, Ella.
Whoa. Who is Ella? She doesn't even exist. Do you mean this beautiful girl walking in and out of the church?
Oh my god, thank you so much.
Oh my god, you look so scary. I have so much work to do, and it's all due a week before I thought it was supposed to be due, and now I have to do it all tonight, and I don't have any time. And
Do you see how silly this is, Zoe? You are on summer break.
Girl,
How are you
forget
supposed to
your
go?
problems. You really need to just love yourself. As
Yeah.
everyone loves
Also,
you.
find yourself. If you don't find yourself, this is going to end in a level 5 crisis.
And no one wants that. Literally no one wants to love
Nobody would ever like to
would
be
be
a level 5
horrible.
crisis. God, that would be so horrible. Wow, your eyes are really popping out right now.
you so much.
Like, I'm almost blind. I can't really look at you
Some
anymore.
glitter on my eyes now.
Wow! Wow! Look at you, glittery queen! Holy gosh!
Thank you.
Wow, that's so much glitter.
I got glitter on my
Yikes.
eyes now. I think I'm gonna try to put mascara on now. I don't know how to do that.
I am just so incapable of understanding how a single human being can be that pretty. Like, this is impossible to believe.
Girl, you are just so kind. Oh my god. Okay, so here is the look. I'm gonna
Beautiful.
put my hair down now so it totally frames
Oh my
my face.
Look at you! Oh my god! You see these tears? This is just so amazing. Oh my god! I will never even reach this level of beauty ever.
God, girl, don't say that. You are such a goddess.
How am I perfect as you are?
I love glitter.
This is such a natural look.
Great.
Wow. This is such a good look. Like, you can go with it wherever you want. Beach,
Wow.
bar. Oh my god. I can't.
Oh my god, you are literally so sweet.
Is it that I'm married today?
To who?
I was about to tell you all, if I was there, I would just give you a photo shoot for free because you're so stunning. I wouldn't even charge any money.
So, Jonah, I'm really sad to inform you that I just removed my natural look.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
Jonah.
I am
missed
so
it,
upset.
Jonah.
You really caught it at
so
the end.
upset.
I'm so sorry. Hello, I'm back.
Fresh, it's new, it's fabulous.
Oh,
Look, how much do you know about fashion? Nothing. That's what I thought. Do you know who does know
Yeah,
about fashion?
Sarah.
This queen, right here, Hari Burzant.
since he invited me to his marriage, and I was like, "Whoa, this is really early in my life. I'm not prepared for this. What am I even going to wear?" He keeps sending me links to outfits that he think would fit.
That's really great.